Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your family's health with Cigna detailed guide step by step clearly. First, begin by assessing your family's specific health needs. Consider factors such as age, pre-existing conditions, and lifestyle. Research Cigna's health plans to find the one that best suits your family. Visit Cigna's official website to explore available options. Use their online tools to compare different plans based on coverage and cost. Look for health plans that offer preventive care services. These services often include annual checkups, vaccinations, and screenings. Evaluate the network of healthcare providers included in each plan. Make sure your preferred doctors and specialists are part of the network. Check the prescription drug coverage for essential medications your family may need. Read customer reviews and testimonials about Cigna's services and support. Reach out to Cigna's customer service for any questions or clarifications. Once you choose a plan, enroll through their website or by calling their support line. Pay attention to any enrollment deadlines to avoid missing out. After enrollment, set up a family health profile on your Cigna account. This will help you keep track of appointments, medications, and health history. Take advantage of Cigna's wellness programs, which can provide valuable resources. These programs often include nutrition counseling, fitness classes, and mental health support. Encourage your family to get regular checkups and screenings to stay ahead of health issues. Utilize the Cigna mobile app for easy access to your health insurance information. Monitor your family's health progress through the app's features. Stay informed about any changes to your family's plan or Cigna's offerings. Finally, engage in open discussions with your family about health and wellness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.